Namaskar, respected teachers, viewers and judges. I am Jishan Das from Benison English HSC School and my team name is Blue Hills. Today I am representing my project. The title name is the Leaf Powered Bioelectrical Model Low Cost Plant Microbial Fuel Prototype. This video is specially for the Vikshit Bharat Buildathon 2025. My project supports the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The aim is to show how we can create clean energy using materials like soil, plants and metal strips. The main aim of the problem is that nowadays rural areas are suffering from irregular electricity. So solar energy, wind energy are very expensive for them, like for low income families, farmers and rural schools. So however, in natural plants and soil already produce tiny amount of electricity as they grew and microbes break down into nutrients. Most people do not know about the natural bioelectricity. So through this model, I want to create awareness and show how plants can act like a small biobattery. And the main aim of this project is to generate measurable electricity from simple materials. So the materials required for this making project is: number 1, fresh leaves on a plotted plant; number 2, copper and zinc electrodes; number 3, connecting wires; number 4, LED bulb or voltmeter; number 5, beaker or soil; number 6, cardboard piece. Now I am going to show how the project works. Plant continuously to perform photosynthesis and other metabolic activities. During this process, ions and electrons are released in the surroundings, soil and in the plant juice. So soil also contains microorganisms that break down organic matter and naturally release electrons. So two different metals, that is zinc or become negative electrode and copper become positive electrode. This soil or leaf extract act like a natural electrolyte. Electrons begin to move from zinc to copper due to chemical reactions and metabolic activities in the soil. These electrons travel through the connecting wires and this creates a small electric current. That current can be detected using a voltmeter or using a glow or small LED. Sunlight increases the biological activity in soil and leaves, which improves the voltage. Moisture also plays an important role. If we add compost or place multiple units together, this electrical output increase further. So this shows that living plants and their surrounding soil behave like a biobattery, producing clean and renewable energy without harming the nature. I would like to conclude that this model proves the plants and soil can generate electricity naturally. Though the output is small, but it teaches an important concept: nature itself produces energy. With research and innovation, this idea can help develop low-cost, clean energy sources in the future and support the mission of Atmanirbhar Bharat.